Okay, this is how you use the VS Day teleport. Here's our hive. Let's say I want to move over here without using teleports, or without costing any teleports. If you go to VS, Alliance Assault, Attack. This will send me to the other server. Notice I have not decided where to land. You can scroll out and move anywhere you want. And land in that place on their server. That's how you decide where you want to attack on their server, rather than just selecting this specific place that lands you. So now I want to go back. VS, Alliance Assault, return. It is going to automatically default you to the location of where our Alliance assembly point is. Again, you can choose anywhere to land. Scroll out on the map. Move around. I said I wanted to move near the new spot. Zoom in. Select the new spot. Click OK. I've now moved for free. Notice the VS, Alliance Assault. I cannot do another move like that for 4 minutes. 4-minute cooldown. That's how you do it. Pretty simple.